my lords, directed the principal secretary of the department
जी
to file her personal affidavit. Now, there's one difficulty, my lords. We have filed an application yesterday.
जी
The principal secretary was sent on deputation to the central government. On 6/11, the order was passed by the central government. Yesterday, she has been relieved by the state government, my lords, by the chief secretary. This happened because of the prevalent code of conduct going on in the state.
जी
The new principal secretary is soon to join, my lords. The
Soon to join
official
मतलब?
communication has still not been given. We filed an application for extension.
तो
my lords.
अभी इतने दिनों में एफिडेविट क्यों नहीं आ पाया?
My lords, what has happened, I'll just pass on, though it was filed online yesterday, but it could not be seen in the system. So I'm just passing one copy, my lords.
जी
The document is there on record. What has happened? Let me just pass this on, my lords.
देखिए लीजिए
Now, this order by the appointments committee of the cabinet, my lords, that's
ठीक
at
है
page number 3.
6 तारीख को था यहाँ
That
ऑर्डर
was this
6
order,
तारीख को आपको मालूम नहीं था क्या?
my lords, 6 तारीख को यहाँ
तो 20/11 को रिलीव हुए ना,
जी 20/11
इतने
को
दिन में एफिडेविट तो फाइल कर सकते थे।
My
आप ये बता दीजिए, क्लैरिफाई कर दीजिए दैट द प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी वाज नॉट डिस्चार्जिंग एनी वर्क फ्रॉम 6/11 टिल 20/11, शी डिड नॉट परफॉर्म एनी वर्क ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, ऐसा लिख दीजिए, नहीं तो एफिडेविट भी फाइल कर सकते थे।
my lords,
He was either she was on leave from 6/11 to 20/11 when she was relieved, or she was performing work of the department. If she was performing work of the department, then she was also responsible to file the affidavit in compliance of the orders of the High Court.
If I may
You file a लिखिएगा।
my lords, may I just most
नहीं नहीं,
my lords?
अब इसका एफिडेविट फाइल करिए, उन्हीं का दिल्ली से बुलवाइए एफिडेविट कि वो डिपार्टमेंट का काम कर रही थी कि नहीं कर रही थी, नहीं तो आई विल आस्क योर चीफ सेक्रेटरी टू फाइल हिज एफिडेविट whether she was discharging her duties or not.
मैं सिर्फ एक निवेदन कर रहा हूँ।
Don't try to mislead the court.
नहीं मिसलीड नहीं सर, सिर्फ जो फैक्ट्स आए हैं नॉलेज में वो
फैक्ट्स पढ़ लिए ना, आपने कॉपी दे दी है, फैक्ट्स पढ़ लिए,
पैराग्राफ 3 में भी
हाँ पढ़ लिया, फैक्ट्स पढ़ लिया, उसमें कहीं ये नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि ये विभाग का काम नहीं कर रही थी, छुट्टी पर थी, और अगर विभागीय कार्य कर रही थी तो यह भी विभागीय कार्य है जिसमें
जी, बिल्कुल।
कोर्ट ने कहा एफिडेविट फाइल करने के लिए। So why contempt should not be drawn against her for not complying with the orders of this court dated 6/11? Either she was relieved on 6/11, I'll have no problem, so I'll grant you time. If she was not relieved on 6/11, then she was required to make compliance of the order. लिखिएगा।
Within a week we'll file a.
नहीं
बिल फाइल करते हैं।
will be court will be always obliged. You are seeing what is happening in Supreme Court, how government is behaving.
Yes, madam. I apologize, madam.
Don't take courts for right. We are not subordinate to you.
Yes, sir.
Should we remind this again and again to you that we are not subordinate to you? We are not seeking any favor from you.
Sir.
Let आइए, नंबर क्या है इसका?
The document provisional ID number is
5747 of 2000.
प्रोविजनल क्या होता है?
So filed yesterday online, my lord. So the
तो-
provisional ID is first given in the online.
57
47 of 2023.
ये क्या है? ये क्या नंबर कहलाता है? ये प्रोविजनल आईडी नंबर
Provisional ID.
है?
Provisional.
प्रोविजनल
Document provisional number.
डॉक्यूमेंट प्रोविजनल नंबर
जी
5747 of 23
जी
said to be filed yesterday is not available on the record. Shri Rohit Jain, learned government advocate, has handed over a copy of an application seeking extension of time in compliance of order dated 6/11/2023. Next para. It is mentioned that the ACS/Principal Secretary, Tribal Welfare Department, namely Miss Pallavi Jain, ये गोहिल नाम सही लिखा है आपने?
जी सर, यही नाम है सर, इसमें भी है।
गलत लिखा है आपने,
Google
आपके अधिकारी को नाम भी नहीं मालूम है।
Google every yes, sorry. Tender apologies.
Gohil, which is wrongly mentioned as her correct name is Pallavi Jain Govil, has been recently sent on deputation to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas at New Delhi. The appointment committee of cabinet ministry of personnel, ये क्या होता है भाई? ये किसने बनाया है? ये आपने बनाया है क्या? ये किसके साइन है? ये शर्मा जी किसके साइन है? ये इस पे एप्लीकेशन पे किस सरकारी वकील के नाम तो लिखते नहीं है? देखिएगा जरा, ये दिखाइएगा साहब को,
सर
ये कॉपी है आपके पास? इस पे
सर है ना
किसके साइन है? ये मत कहिएगा कि आप अपने अधिकारियों के साइन नहीं पहचानते, नहीं तो आई इशू अ डायरेक्शन कि सबका नाम लिखा जाए. They cannot get away by filing inappropriate things. इनको ये भी नहीं मालूम है. Recently in deputation, the Government of India Secretariat of Appointment Committee of Cabinet Ministry of Personal Grievance and Pension has issued the aforesaid order. इतना on the basis of the aforesaid ACS was relieved on. ये पूरा पैरा कॉपी कर दीजिएगा, पैरा 3 as mentioned as under. Next, वो उसके बाद लिखिएगा कि her name is wrongly mentioned by the officer in charge. इसका एफिडेविट है इसमें. आपने संतोष शुक्ला, Assistant Commissioner Tribal Affair, Nindori, who does not know the correct name of his principal secretary. The reason mentioned for not filing the affidavit is not appealing. Next, let fresh affidavit be filed as to whether Srimati Pallavi Jain Govil was relieved on 6/11/23 and was not discharging the functions of the Principal Secretary, Tribal Welfare Department from 6th November 23 till 16th November 23, and therefore she could not file her affidavit, or that she was discharging her functions but yet she chose not to file affidavit in compliance of the order of the High Court. Full stop. Let a specific affidavit be filed in this regard, and closing copy of the appointment order and the appointment order of Ms. Pallavi Jain Govil and that of the relieving order, so to take further action in the matter. List on 28 नवंबर 2023. ये विनायक शाह साहब का नाम डाल दीजिएगा पिटीशनर के लिए.
चलो सर